Welcome to our review of the Acer Aspire 3 A315-24P-R7VH Slim Laptop, where style meets performance. In this video, we'll explore the features and capabilities of this powerhouse, designed to elevate your computing experience to new heights. Stay tuned to discover why the Acer Aspire 3 is the ultimate choice for those seeking versatility, speed, and reliability in a portable package. Let's start with the stunning 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display, offering vibrant colors and crisp visuals for an immersive viewing experience. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite series, editing photos, or working on presentations, the Acer Aspire 3 delivers unparalleled clarity and detail. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 3-7320U quad-core processor and AMD Radeon Graphics, this laptop packs a punch when it comes to performance. Say goodbye to lag and hello to smooth, responsive computing no matter what task you throw at it. With 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM and a lightning-fast 128GB NVMe SSD, you'll experience faster boot times, snappier application launches, and ample storage space for all your files and media. Stay connected and productive wherever you go, thanks to Wi-Fi 6 technology, offering faster speeds and greater bandwidth for smooth streaming, browsing, and video calls. And with Windows 11 Home in S mode, you'll enjoy enhanced security, streamlined performance, and access to a world of apps and services from the Microsoft Store. In conclusion, the Acer Aspire 3 A315-24P-R7VH Slim Laptop is more than just a device, it's a gateway to productivity, creativity, and entertainment. Experience the power of innovation with the Acer Aspire 3. Get yours today and unleash your potential. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials.